In this video, I want to talk about how you can create your own strategy in TradingView. Now, to do this, you should have some sort of understanding on how to code, or at least know someone who knows how to code, or how to code with AI. Because what you want to do is you want to head over to the supercharts, and from in here, you want to open up the Pine editor. Now in here, you are able to create your own trading strategy if you know how to code it, and you just want to code it from in here. And once that is done, you can put add to chart if you want to put it on your chart, and you can also publish it as an indicator. So if you want to make your own strategy one, you can do it in here. And you're also able to open up the strategy tester if you want to test any strategies, and you can do that from in here as well. So like I said, it's a good idea to have an understanding of how to code or get someone else to do it for you who knows how to do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.